Welcome back, dear friends in Christ, to the next episode of the journey through the Apostolic succession. Catechism of the Catholic Church, 882. The Pope, Bishop of Rome and Peter's successor, is the perpetual and visible source and foundation of the unity both of the bishops and the whole company of the faithful. For the Roman Pontiff, by reason of his office as Vicar of Christ and as pastor of the entire Church, has full, supreme, and universal power over the whole Church, a power which he can always exercise unhindered. Today we hear about our 139th Pope, that is Pope Sylvester II. Pope Sylvester II was a French-born scholar and a teacher who served as the Bishop of Rome and ruled the Papal States from 999 to his death. He was an admired educator and a leading scientist in his time. A brief history and background on Pope Sylvester II. He was born Gerbert in 945 and began his education at Aurillac, Auvergne, France, where he later attained the position of abbot. Then he headed to Spain next. He studied astronomy, music, geometry, and arithmetic in Spain. John the 13th was so impressed by Gerbert's math skills that he suggested Gerbert to Otto I as Otto II's tutor. Later, the Emperor Otto II entrusted Gerbert with the leadership of the Saint Columban of Bobbia monastery, located in Italy. With imperial support, Gerbert was elected to succeed Gregory V in 999, and he was the first French pope. His papacy ended 1003 AD. Successor, Pope John the 17th. About pontificate and contributions. Pope Sylvester II oversaw significant religious matters in a number of nations. Soon after his elevation to the papacy, he confirms anew his former opponent, Arnulf, as Archbishop of Reims. Additionally, he strongly criticized the clergy's customary simony, the selling of church offices, and concubinage, the marrying of priests and clergy. Pope Sylvester II strongly insisted that only honorable individuals should hold significant leadership positions as bishops. In Gießen, Poland, the Pope established an ecclesiastical metropolitan, and in Gran, Hungary, he did the same. He was held in high repute for his learning and invention. He is believed to have invented the pendulum clock and later was instrumental in Western Europe's adoption of Arabic numerals. Death. The Romans rebelled against Otto and Sylvester in the same year and drove out both of them from Rome. Sylvester was later allowed to return as a spiritual leader only. He died the following year in 1003 AD. Pope Sylvester is buried in St. John Lateran. And with that, dear friends, we conclude this episode. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for our next episode. And please like and share and spread the good news of Christ to everyone around you, and may God bless you.